to get people to align them, to align their visions, their platforms, their plan of government. It takes time. I don't know why we expect that it will be, a 1 day or 2 days affair. We are on a journey, and we hope that by God's grace, that journey will culminate in the best interests of the people of Kenya getting better leadership. That's all. So let's not speculate too much. And then there was no question of reservations. What I had my views on how, because your colleagues asked me, how do I think a presidential candidate should be chosen? And I said, I don't know, we are going to agree when we get there, but in my view, from where I sit, it ought to be an inclusive process, because in alliance building and coalition building, process is as important as the outcome itself. Because if you have 5 candidates, you're going to go through a process where 4 candidates are going to come back without being nominated as flag bearers. They must have a basis, a credible basis of conviction to tell their supporters that we sat in that place, we went through this process, and we arrived at X or Y as the candidate. And since we are bound by that arrangement, let us now support that candidate. That is how you achieve your objectives. But you see, if you operate on the basis of a conspiracy, you will not achieve your objectives, because how will those other 4 who are not nominated go back to their supporters and address them? How will they explain to them why they are not the candidate? Because if our interest is unity and to bring everybody together, then honestly there is no substitute for inclusion, including the public, and ensuring that we are open and transparent about these issues, talking to people. Maybe you guys from the media, because you are serious guys from the media, you should even organize a presidential debate for opposition candidates so that we come before the people of Kenya. What are we hiding? We are not looking for family leadership, we are looking for public leadership. The people of Kenya should be involved in the process all along.